Could a series of pro-Trump social media posts from prison change the fate of former FTX co-CEO Ryan Salame? Salame is actively aligning with Trump's policies and attacking prosecutors, aiming for clemency while serving a 90-month federal sentence. His campaign leverages third-party posts to amplify his stance, reflecting the ongoing intersection of crypto, politics, and legal strategy. Imagine a world where AI agents can own crypto wallets, execute transactions, and manage on-chain records autonomously. BNB Chain has introduced the NFA non-fungible agents token standard, merging AI with blockchain asset ownership for a new era of digital asset management. This innovation could spark a wave of AI-driven decentralized applications, reshaping how assets are controlled and utilized. Binance now holds nearly 87% of all USD1 stablecoin, totaling about $4.7 billion, raising industry-wide concerns about risk and influence. The stablecoin, issued by Trump-linked World Liberty Financial, is unusually concentrated on a single platform, prompting questions about transparency and potential single-point failure. Analysts warn that such dominance could amplify risks if legal, technical, or financial issues arise. Bitcoin just broke a major psychological barrier, falling below $70,000 and triggering market uncertainty. Spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded a $3.1 billion net outflow in a week, pushing the price down to $68,785, with traders now eyeing the crucial $68,000 support at the 200-week EMA. If this level fails, analysts warn of deeper corrections ahead. Could the U.S. government soon create a Bitcoin strategic reserve at the $60,000 mark? Market commentator Jim Cramer says the Trump administration may buy Bitcoin for a proposed reserve, but legal hurdles mean only seized assets can be used, not public funds. With Bitcoin trading above $71,000 and volatility high, the chance of an official reserve before 2027 has risen to 31%. A major shift just hit the Bitcoin market, as long-term holders offloaded 245,000 BTC in a single week. On-chain data reveals this is the fastest pace of distribution since December 2024, yet total long-term holdings still climbed to 13.81 million BTC in 2026. Meanwhile, macroeconomic uncertainty and U.S. Fed policy continue to drive volatility, keeping traders on edge. World Liberty Financial's crypto deals have funneled over $1.4 billion to the Trump family since late 2024. Most proceeds from WLFI token sales went to Trump-controlled entities, with major deals involving Abu Dhabi investors and Alt-5 Sigma. This case highlights the deepening ties between political figures and the crypto industry. Ethereum's position near $2,000 is under pressure as analysts warn about Layer 2 fragmentation and rising multi-chain competition. Key price levels at $1.918 and $2.150 will guide short-term trading decisions, with weak demand and shifting developer focus challenging ETH's role as an execution layer. Technical analysts highlight that Ethereum's value proposition is being tested as market sentiment turns bearish. A wallet tied to the Infini exploit just moved over $32 million in ETH through Tornado Cash during a major market dip. The hacker bought 316 ETH as prices dropped, then sent a total of 470 ETH to the mixer, highlighting DeFi's ongoing vulnerability. Blockchain analysts confirmed the funds remain untraceable, raising fresh questions about privacy protocols and regulatory gaps. Goldman Sachs warns that up to $33 billion in forced U.S. stock selling could hit markets this week, potentially dragging Bitcoin lower. With trend-following funds triggering sell signals and liquidity thinning, investors are watching for ripple effects across crypto. As Bitcoin's RSI nears historic lows, some analysts see signs of capitulation, but volatility remains a risk. Polished Super Bowl video featuring President Trump urged viewers to donate in cryptocurrency, promising to double contributions. The lack of AI disclosure triggered scam accusations and raised concerns about campaign transparency rules. Trump later criticized the halftime show on Truth Social, intensifying community backlash and highlighting shifting attitudes in crypto marketing. Rumors of a U.S. SEC investigation into Binance have reignited debate over the October 10, 2025 liquidation event, when $19 billion in leveraged positions were wiped out as Bitcoin crashed. Binance denied responsibility, citing macroeconomic shocks, but paid $600 million in compensation and faced ongoing scrutiny from regulators and rival exchanges. The market now closely watches for official confirmation and potential regulatory shifts.